Hey there, I'm Roger Blankenship, founder of Flipping America. Now, I know I don't look old enough to say this, but for more than 2 decades, I've been honing my real estate and property flipping skills. And today, I'm here to share with you how you can turn your passion for real estate into sustainable income. Having fixed and flipped more than 1,000 houses in my real estate career, it's safe to say that I've learned a thing or two about making profitable investments. Even more importantly, I've learned how to avoid serious mistakes that can cost you big time. If you're interested in changing your life for the better by learning how to flip houses like a master, then you're in the right place. By teaming up with me in my exclusive Flipping Mastery course, you can skip the learning curve and get right to the good stuff: successful flips and serious profits. That being said, it's important to know that real estate isn't a get rich quick scheme. Like anything worth having, real estate investing takes hard work, dedication, and focus. If you think you might be ready to take the plunge, let's take a look at how my 10-week Flipping Mastery course will help you successfully navigate the world of real estate with valuable tips, tricks, and insights. I strongly believe that regardless of whether you flip 20 homes or none, reviewing the basics is the key to building a solid foundation in real estate investing and flipping houses. That's why I dedicate the first 4 weeks of my Flipping Mastery course to the real estate fundamentals: how to find, fund, fix, and flip properties. Together, we'll go into depth about locating fantastic properties, securing funding, making necessary repairs, and ultimately closing on a profitable flip. I know that may sound like a lot to cover in just 4 weeks, but don't worry. By the time you've reached week 5 of the Flipping Mastery course, you'll be knowledgeable, confident, and eager for more. The final 6 weeks of the Flipping Mastery course are jam-packed with plenty of helpful material that will benefit your real estate journey for years to come. We're going to tackle a wide range of topics like developing and strengthening your mindset, establishing legal structures, scaling your business, creative deal structuring, and more. I'll even share my top strategies to accumulate sustainable wealth through real estate investment. I've spent years accumulating this valuable information, and the great news is you'll receive all of the highlights in just 10 exciting weeks. Oh, and did I mention that you'll receive numerous free resources that are going to help your real estate journey easier for years to come? I have contracts, documents, questionnaires, hiring guides, calculators, spreadsheets, whatever I've needed for my own business can now become a part of yours. If you've been considering real estate investment and property flipping but just can't seem to pull the trigger, this is your sign that the time is right. Pursue the life and financial freedom you've always wanted. Click the link below this video to sign up for a free consultation with me and learn more about my Flipping Mastery course. And finally, take the next step toward your dreams. Take action today.